Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset DAZN account's password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your DAZN application and make sure you're inside the sign-in page. If you've forgotten your password during logging in, then you can simply tap on the Forgot Password link beneath the sign-in button. Now, you'll need to type in your email address associated with your DAZN account. Type in your email correct and tap Continue. Now, you'll receive an inbox from DAZN sent to your email. Click Open your email inbox, and once you receive an email from DAZN that says DAZN Password Reset, give it a tap to open, and now tap on Reset Password. Select a web browser to open up with, and you'll be taken to this page. Now, enter the new password you'd like to reset to. Make sure that your password has at least 6 characters, at least a number, and once you type in your new password, re-enter the new password again in the next field. Once you re-enter the password, tap on Reset, and you'll be able to reset your password right away. You can now go back to the sign-in area and type in the email followed by the new password that you just reset to log into your account. That is how you can easily reset your password for DAZN account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.